Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today, so if you're watching and recording, you can simply fast forward 5 minutes, or you can stay with us through our hellos as usual. Good morning, Yanni. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Sandra. All right, it is time for us to start. And today, we're going to continue our exploration of embodied life, deepening our embodiment. And we'll do a practice that we've done many times, the inner smile practice, but make it a really embodied inner smile. So without further ado, close your eyes or not, your choice, and take a comfortable position, settling into this moment right here, right now. Remember, when we go into the future in our mind, we tend to worry and plan. When we go into the past, We tend to focus on regrets just because of negativity bias of our brain. But let's look again at this thin slice of time that is your present moment, where life actually happens. And ask yourself, in this moment, am I breathing? Is my heart beating? Is my mind working? Since you're here, I assume the answers to all of those questions are yes. So remind yourself that in this very moment, you're breathing, your heart is beating, your mind is working. So basically, you are all right. Right this second, all is well in your world. Let your breath be easy and soft, uncontrolled. Don't try to change anything about it. Simply follow it as it expresses itself in your body. Inhale and exhale. Easy, not trying to change. Gently scan your body and notice what this basic all rightness feels like in your body. You may keep saying quietly to yourself, I'm all right now. Right now, I'm all right. Where does this basic all rightness reside in your body? You feel it in your belly, in your chest, in your throat. And now turn the sense of basic all rightness into a smile at the corner of both eyes and feel the very real sensations that arise there. Allow your brow to be smooth, the flesh around your eyes to be soft and relaxed. You might sense your eyes floating gently as if in a pool of warm water. Continue to soften and let go through the whole area around your eyes. Can you perceive a relaxed brightness there? Now bring a small but real smile to your lips and allow the feeling to relax the muscles of your face. Let the jaw be relaxed and loose, and let the tip of your tongue lightly touch the roof of your mouth. Feel now how your eyes are smiling, how your mouth is smiling. Bring the sensation and maybe the image of a smile to your throat. Notice what happens. There might be a relaxing and opening. And if you perceive any tightness, allow it to be held in the sensation of smile. embodied sense of it. You may want to feel again the corners of your eyes smiling, your mouth smiling, and now your throat smiling. Let the smile drift down to your chest. Imagine the shape and feeling of a smile spreading through the area of your heart. Whatever feelings might be there, allow them to float in the openness and kindness of an embodied smile. Continuing to relax and release, sense the smile in your heart, sending ripples of ease throughout your whole body, through your shoulders, along the arms, down into the torso and legs. Can you feel the openness and vibrancy of a smile at the navel, at the base of your spine? Allow yourself to rest in the spacious and kind awareness that an embodied smile brings. When thoughts, sensations, or emotions arise, can you sense how they are held with unconditional friendliness when your body is smiling? And if your mind wanders or you find yourself tightening, gently re-establish the smile in your mind, in your eyes, in your mouth, and in your heart, and feel what happens. I'll give you a few minutes in silence to do that. Just being here, embodying your smile, and noticing whatever happens right here, right now, how everything is held in the unconditional friendliness of your embodied smile. If you notice any sensations of anxiety, frustration, or maybe physical pain, disease in your body, see if you can bring this embodied sense of smiling into that area. What happens as you do this? Once again, remind yourself, I am here. I am breathing. My heart is beating. My mind is working. So in this very moment, all is well in my world. And let your embodied smile confirm this basic all rightness that you feel in this moment. With practice, you'll find that the smile, this embodied smile, is a very simple and powerful way to reawaken the heart anytime, anywhere. As you go through your day today, I encourage you to remember this basic sense of all rightness whenever you can. Establish yourself in it. Confirm it with an embodied smile that is not just on your lips, but everywhere in your body. And notice how that embodied smile changes whatever you experience in that moment. Thank you so much for being here. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.